In this video, I'll show you how to stop Microsoft Edge from fading inactive tabs so your open tabs stay clear and easy to read even when you switch between them. This is a quick setting change, but it can make a big difference if you like keeping multiple tabs open and don't want the inactive ones to look dimmed or faded. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Edge tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Edge menu where all the browser settings are located. From the menu, scroll down and click Settings. That will take you into the Edge settings page. Now on the left-hand side, find and click System and Performance. This section contains performance-related options that control how Edge behaves while you browse. Inside System and Performance, look for the Performance section. Here you'll see different options related to browser efficiency and tab behavior. One of those options is called Fade Inactive Tabs. By default, this can make tabs look dim when they are not currently active. To turn that off, simply toggle Fade Inactive Tabs to the off position. Once you do that, Edge will stop fading your inactive tabs, so every tab stays visually consistent and easier to spot at a glance. There is no complicated setup, no extra software, and no advanced steps needed. Just one simple toggle, and the change takes effect right away. If you ever want to bring the faded look back, you can return to the same menu and turn the setting back on at any time. So to recap, open Edge, go to Settings, open System and Performance, select Performance, and then switch off Fade Inactive Tabs. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.